Crunch. That's why I love Nestle Crunch. That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Oh my God.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.